Today's vlog is about a day at Diamond Harbour. There is something magical about local train journeys in Kolkata. As the train leaves Shialdah, the city's busy chaos slowly fades into a soft rhythm. Through the window, life unfolds like a moving painting. Green fields stretching far and wide, ponds glittering under the sun, little huts, etc. After a pleasant ride of around 2 hours, the train finally reaches Diamond Harbour, a serene escape by the banks of the Hooghly River. The beauty of the place lies in its simplicity. Standing near the riverfront, I watch small boats floating gently, fishermen at work, and the wide expanse of the river merging into the horizon. The view felt both peaceful and endless.
Every step a beat we can make. Life's a tune, sing it till we break.
Diamond Harbour is not just about the scenery. It is also about the quiet moments it gives you. Sitting by the river, I felt a deep calmness, as if time had slowed down.
Stones and city streams we find. Let's write a new story.
The soft breeze carried the smell of the river, and the vast open sky painted shades of blue.
Every spark in their voices shows they care. Colors splash like secrets on
It is a perfect spot for anyone who wants to take a break from the fast city life, stress, and all other things.
Just turning slow. Let the breeze tell us where to go. Every step a beat we can make. Life's a tune.
The visit to Diamond Harbour reminded me that sometimes the best getaways don't need fancy plans. They just need a simple train ride and an open heart to embrace nature's beauty.